up? New hair who this? Come through. New hair who this? New hair who this? New hair who this though? Like, oh my God. My auntie did what she needed to do. She not even my auntie, but she my auntie. She did what she had to do. These braids got the 5 head all out and popping. That's how you know. She got me together real quick. Real quick. These are so cute. And let me tell y'all something. Some people are just gifted, okay? Some people are just gifted. So I pulled up to her house around like 10:30. We got started shortly after, about 5, not even 10 minutes after. And I left her house at like 3:45. That's like what, 4.5, 5 hours? 10, 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 30. Yes, less than 5 hours, because she really got done braiding. She braided and stopped halfway, did my whole head. I think we were done around 2. And then she finished the ends, dipped them in water, did all the good stuff. And girl, by 3, I was out of there. Out of there. And these are so neat. They're so lightweight. They're long. They touch my booty. And I just love them. I had such a great experience. It was chef's kiss. My auntie did what she needed to do. She did. Let me stop calling her my auntie. She's not my real auntie. But, you know, she did what she had to do. I forgot I never showed you guys my nails. Ooh. They cute or whatever. I didn't vlog the process because I didn't really have a good experience, but I love how my nails came out though. Super cute. Today we're going to Ikea to go look around and see what Ikea has to offer. We've heard some great things about Ikea. Not so great things about Ikea. Yeah. So we're gonna go see for ourselves. This is our first time at Ikea. And no, this is your second time. Yeah, first time in Dallas, so I don't know what it looks like. Our first time at Ikea. So we just made it to Ikea. There's a line outside, which is pretty ghetto. It is wrapping around though.
Oh, it wrapped? I thought it was short.
I did too.
You in Ikea?
Girl, Ikea as a whole.
Oh, Jenny.
What? Oh, shut the fuck up. Oh my God. Okay, it's not that, it's moving though. Jesus Christ. Look at this line. Look how many people.
Does it go around the corner?
Are they giving out furniture for free? Y'all look at this line. Just for Ikea. Ikea was a success, period. We had, oh, thank you, ma'am. Ikea was a success. We spent, what, 2 hours? Good two hours in Ikea.
Yep, that's what people do. And imagine if you're trying to get something, you're going to do 2 hours.
No, you have to really plan out your day. Come here early in the morning, right when they open. Have a list of what you're going to get. Go straight to the warehouse. Is there a way for you to just like go to the warehouse without having to go through?
I think so.
Yeah,
because it's at the bottom.
Okay, so you can probably just go straight there.
Yeah.
So yeah, so we just got a couple things. Haul time.
Oh.
So I seen you just talk. See, that's peak content. So I seen these on TikTok, and I am queen of leaving things half open. I'll cut half a lemon and just have half a lemon sitting in the fridge. So these are like condoms for your fruit and vegetables. Okay, not condoms, but they're actual like.
You described this.
They are like they cover your fruits and vegetables so that you can use them next time and they don't go bad and all that stuff. So I got those, and then I got a little squeezy. We got the most random, like
no, literally,
Ikea
like I feel like
place.
she looked at ourselves and she was like,
why did y'all come all the way out here for these things? But we didn't plan on getting anything. We just wanted to come and look at the things that we wanted first. We got a little squeezy for the shower, and then what else? 2 candles. That's 2
candles, because the candle section smelled really good. Like,
yeah. So we
were like, what's that scent?
We just went and we were like, let's try. I didn't know Ikea. I mean, Ikea has everything. I'm not surprised, but we're gonna try these out and then see if they actually burn well, because they're like $2. So they smell really good.
Yeah, and you can put it in like your bathroom or something.
Yeah. So we're gonna try these out. If it smells good, then we'll come back and get a whole bunch more.
Dresses and
yeah. But the next trip to Ikea will be the trip where we lugging stuff and doing all the manual labor. I'm gonna bring Peter with us next time. For real. Next time we come, I'm bringing them. So yeah.
Empty your car out.
We need 2:18. Something, drink something. It's so hot outside. Let's see what the temperature is today. Let's play guess how hot it is in Dallas.
97.
What's your guess? 97? 93. You're close.
Ooh.
And it actually feels like 93. Wow. Okay, so we are gonna go to the shoe store. We're gonna go to the shoe store, and yeah, I hate that we're going on a Saturday because it's gonna be super packed. But nonetheless, this was our mission for today. Was going
she was like to walk.
Okay. Was going to Ikea, and
you experienced Ikea.
I know, for the first time. I look amazing, but I am ridiculously late. Like the dinner started at 6. It's 7:20 basically, so I'm not even gonna get there until 7:30. But I mean, that's okay. You know, it's okay. I'm gonna just get some drinks. I'm gonna get the birthday girl some drinks, and we'll be fine. You know, good thing I ate earlier, so I'm not hungry, and I don't plan on drinking any hard liquor today. So, you know, I'm good. But I really have to do better with my time management because it is horrible. But I mean, we look good, okay? Like, we look good. My best friend once told me, she said, it's better to be late and look good than to be on time and look a hot ass mess. So I'm just taking it as, do you want me to show up busted, or do you want me to show up late looking like a fucking snap? You tell me. Why I'm talking all this with my toilet paper in the back, like, Janet, stop. Stop. I bought a bottle of wine because, you know, I'm just not in the mood to do hard liquor, but I got 19 crimes. Yeah, 19 crimes. This bottle of wine is so, oh, I forgot my aerator. Oh, that's the whole reason why I bought this wine, so I can drink it with my aerator, and I forgot it. Oh no, it's okay. But I brought it because I'm not gonna be drinking tonight. I'm just not in the mood to drink any hard liquor, so I just brought something that I can drink so that I'm not relying on, you know, the function to provide my choice of alcohol. So yeah, but the skin is popping, the braids is popping, the cut, the dress, everything. So I'm just gonna drive, listen to some music so that I can not feel as bad for being so late, and then I will check back in with you guys later. to live this life. I'm not meant for it. Okay, so trying to fill you guys in on what's going on. So last night I went to my friend's birthday dinner, and I didn't really vlog a lot because after she had like a kickback, and yeah, I didn't get home till 4 a.m. yesterday. So yesterday was a very eventful night. Nothing worth putting on the vlog. We were definitely gonna put it on the vlog, but it was a very eventful night, and I enjoyed it. Okay, since this is kind of acting right. Okay, so anyways, like I was saying, so I had my friend's birthday celebration last night. I didn't get home till 4 a.m. and I slept until noon. I had to force myself to get up because I was so tired. I have not been out. Well, I have been out. I'm lying. I went out. I was out that late last weekend. But I took a nap that day, so I wasn't tired because I took a nap, right? But you know, yesterday we were at Ikea all day, and then we were just running around. I didn't have time to like take a nap before, you know, the festivities. So I was so exhausted this morning, and then now I'm on my way to my friend's bridal shower, which started at 3:30. It's 3:58 right now, so I'm probably gonna get there around, said it's like 15 minutes from me, so hold on, y'all. Hopefully this whole clip isn't like all wonky, because my camera's trying to play me today, and I don't understand why. I ain't do nothing to it. I take care of it. we here with it. I don't know why it's trying to play me today. But like I was saying, it started at 3:30. It's now 3:58. I'm about 10 minutes away, so I should get there by like 4:10-ish. So yeah, I'm excited. And then after the bridal shower, I'm gonna be linking up with a friend for some drinks. So I've just had a really busy weekend, and I'm gonna try to vlog as best as possible. A lot of these moments are very intimate, like I know her bridal shower, if you know we not vlog, if we're not like, you know, on our phone and stuff like that, then I probably won't vlog, but I'll try to get snippets of the bridal shower and things like that. But I know events like these are personal. I know, like, you know, certain celebrations and stuff, I just don't want to always have my camera out and my phone out just to get content. It's really not that deep, but you know, I also do want to show you guys, you know, just a little insight into my life and take you along with me. So I do want to do my duties as a vlogger, but nonetheless, I'm gonna try my best. But I'm gonna go ahead and focus on the road so I can get there as early as possible, and then I'll check back in with you guys when I get there. So I am on my way to the wedding. I have on a very relaxed dress. Really wasn't what I would go for to wear to a wedding, but I just said, sis, we're gonna work with what we got. And I did some eyeshadow to just, you know, kind of add some oomph to the outfit, bring the outfit to life. Added some accessories, and yeah, I'm late. What's new? I'm late. I'm not that late, but I'm running behind. My camera's, you know, giving me hee-hee-ha-ha for what reason I don't know, but yeah, I mean, the look came together. I'm not mad at it, but I'm not like, you know, walking out the house like, okay, let's go turn it up, right? But it's not bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and focus on the road. Focus. Go ahead and focus on the road, listen to some music, and then I will check in with you guys when I make it to the venue.
I know you want me. Everything I told you when you're lonely. Yeah, you see you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, you see my thick thighs, also when you look into my brown eyes. You see my lips always give me your slick side. You never know the devil in a disguise. I want you to stand up, baby. Yeah. Tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you. I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you slow, to split you in half with my heart. I just wanna love when you trust in you, all of you pieces the same on your part. Be honest, you want it, I will be part of this, regardless of my promise.